The crisis in Afghanistan focused a lot of attention on how we get into and out of wars. It also briefly distracted some of us from a situation that's been like a war for 18 months, the pandemic. Yesterday on 6:30 Central, we showed you how COVID has driven some nurses from right here in Arkansas to the point of burnout. Tonight, with the crisis overseas focusing our attention on how we salute the heroes from a 20-year war, let's salute the heroes here at home, soldiering on the hospital front lines.
The veterans, it's absolutely that never in their career have they experienced anything quite like this.
A lot of them don't realize that they may be facing PTSD.
With terms like veterans, shell shock, and frontline, it's clear COVID-19 has us on a war footing. The foot soldiers in this war are nurses.
It's been a blessing to see the fortitude and the commitment of our boots on the ground, I call them.
Peggy Abbott is a colonel or commander in this fight. She's CEO of Ouachita County Medical Center. Shelley Marks is more like a master sergeant because she's head of the Arkansas Nurses Association. Each has seen heroic efforts worthy of a salute.
When folks are doing it 12 hours at a hit, day in and day out for a while, it just takes a lot of fortitude to keep going and a lot of commitment.
But burnout is threatening to deplete the ranks already thinned by a shortage that began before the pandemic. That has the ARNA rushing in behind the troops, offering support.
As we daily address COVID and the Delta variant, keep them motivated, keep their spirits up to stay with it, keep their patients first.
They include techie tools like an app that sends uplifting text messages 3 times a day, subscriptions to things like the Happy app and Mood Fit. Some offer encouragement. Other programs get the helpers to realize they might need some professional help.
Our big well-being has to do with asking them to take time for themselves.
And while there's always grumbling in the ranks amid the strain and stress, both leaders think the nurses they've got are up to the task.
Nurses go into this career field for a reason, because they care.
We truly have said since last year, we are in a battle. We are in a battle, and we certainly have some battle-weary veterans, but they're the real heroes.
Rainwater Holton Sexton presents this $1,000 check and the Saluting Heroes Award to the Arkansas Nurses Association. Nurses of Arkansas, we salute you and thank you for your heroic efforts in the fight against COVID-19.